Hey, it's Steve, and we're here with another Getting Fresh Air campground review. In this video, we look at Mulberry Creek Camp, which is in northwest Alabama, just off of the Tennessee River and a little bit west of Florence. Mulberry Creek is a private campground that has a mix of pull-through sites and back-end sites. The main building is centrally located within the campground and includes the office, which does also have snacks and limited supplies, the bathrooms, and then also the laundry room. Outside of the office, there's a shed that includes firewood and also a large ice cooler. Both of these have cash boxes attached to them, so it's on your honor system to pay and pick up items as you need. When visiting Mulberry Creek, you can get either daily, weekly, or monthly rates for your stay. All of the sites are level gravel sites and include water hookups, sewer hookups, and up to 50 amp power hookups. There's also a well-maintained playground for the kids. And for your furry camping companions, there's also a large dog park where you can let your dogs off leash to have a little bit of fun. There are waste pickup stations and trash cans in this area. Our stay was short, but we really enjoyed this campground, and the owners are super friendly and helpful. We hope you get a chance to visit this campground. Be sure to check our description below for links to get more information. And until next time, we hope to see you out there getting fresh air.